How to add device on Google Home. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see this plus icon. Simply tap on this plus icon, and here on the top, there's a section called device. Simply tap on device. So this is the place where you can easily connect it with other devices. Here, either you can directly scan or search for it. So here I'm tapping on search for device. Here on the bottom, tap on next. Now make sure you have your Bluetooth on. So the device Bluetooth and the mobile device will be automatically connected, and you can search for the one and easily connect it. Later, this will also be displayed in your home page, and you can easily connect it using Google Home. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.